What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media. In today's video, we are creating a graphic liner look. Yes, the look that you see right here right now is the exact look that we're going to create. So go ahead and grab all your graphic liners, your black eyeliners, your golds, your pinks, whatever you want to use, and let's create this look together. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is color correct under my eyes because as you guys may or may have not known, a couple of weeks ago I actually used too many chemicals and burned a lot on my face, and so I'm just covering up the scars that were left behind. I am now doing a different type of technique. I took Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil and decided to light up those highlight areas, the high cheekbones on my nose, my chin, down the center, and my forehead. And what I'm going to do is put the makeup on top because I wanted to see if the illuminating veil would go under the foundation. Once the foundation is put on top, what it will look like. Will it have a different effect? So that was a new technique that I decided to do today. I'm actually using the powder that I used to contour my nose and the crease of my eyes. I'm doing that just to create some type of depth. Even though the shadow is not the high focal point of the video, it's all about the liner today. Now I'm just going to take the nude color eyeshadow. It's like a tan or a sand color, and put that in the center of my eyes. And just putting that all over for the time being. Almost done. We went straight into liner. That was just a winged out liner that we are creating right now. As we all know, to create the perfect wing liner, you have to think of a plane. Think of a plane when it takes off and when it lands, and that is how you create the perfect liner, wing liner. I also did a little fox look in the inner corners of my eyes. And now we're going to do the other side. The plane is taken off. And now the plane is landing. Okay, so now what I'm doing now is just taking a little bit of concealer and cleaning up the eye area because it is all about that graphic eye look today. Now we're going straight into the graphic eye. I am taking a liquid blue eyeliner, and I am literally going to draw a line, a C-shaped line going from the tip of the wing, the outer corner of the wing, into my crease. Just like that. Really simple, really easy, really fun. It kind of looks kind of Egyptian a little bit. But graphic liner is all about lines and dimension and just using a bunch of colors and just having fun, creating shapes. That is the trick of graphic liner. So just taking a look right there. I think I wanted just a little bit bigger. I didn't want a thin line. I wanted a thick line, honey. Some thick, like grits, like country grits. Do a thick line. Your line can be whatever you decided it to be for the moment. Whatever you decide is fine. Some people like it thick, some people like it thin. What I'm now doing is taking concealer and cleaning up that line just in case I want a little too high or a little too low. You know, you want to have a steady hand when drawing the lines. But if you do mess up, you can just take a little concealer and fix the line. Perfect. By the way, my shirt says, "Wake up, pray, slay." Come on, girl. Okay, so now we're just taking a little bit of that Kavanaugh Quan on the high cheek, on a higher points of our eyebrows. And now what we're doing is I'm using the Danessa Mavericks cream foundation. I am in love with these little things. As you guys know, hopefully you guys watched my last video. I like to use three colors: a color that is my skin tone, a color that is a little light, and then something that is a little lighter than that. So I like to do work in threes because, as you all know, no one is one color. We are all multi-dimensional. Doesn't matter if you're green, pink, black, or blue. And so to create dimension in my face, I use three. Now we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Sticks Cream Contour. And we are just shaping our face. I have shaped my nose, my cheekbones, and my chin, honey. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking the powder that I used in the crease of my eyes and I am setting my cream contour with powder in that deep brown shade. And nose is looking snatched, honey. And then what I'm going to do next is take concealer to help shape out the contour. I did it down my nose and now I'm using it all over my face, on the bottom half of my face, under my contour. And I'm just blending it in with a wet sponge. And I love these over brushes. I still use them to this day. Remember when these first came out? OMG. The short bristles are beautiful. Just going in with some more contour to help shape. And now I'm using the powder to help redefine the lines and create more dimension. Just to add a little bit more depth. You know what? I have a light hand, and so I have to go in and add a little bit more color sometimes. That nose looks like she has a nose job, honey. That nose is snatched. Going back in at the high points with concealer. Concealer at the high point of my eyebrows, concealer down the center of my nose, concealer around the bottom parts of my nose just to give my face a little bit more light and dimension. Up my forehead a little bit. On my cupid's bow and under my mouth. Concealer, concealer, concealer. Yes, darling. The face is almost complete, you guys. We're just blending. And now I'm going to set my face with some setting powder. I believe this is Benign. It's a mixture of Benign and some other stuff. I can't give you guys all my concoctions. Yes. So we left that on for a little bit. Then we dust it right off. Now what you're going to see me do is take the blue eyeliner and draw under my eyes and wing it out from the bottom in the blue color. Now I'm taking a little bit of the white liner and going on top of it of the black. Just a little bit, just the wing part. So far we use 3 different colors. We use the blue, we use the black, and we use the white. And you guys can use whatever color your heart desires. Go ahead, get creative, have fun. You know, it probably be a pretty combination. Pink and yellow and purple. Oh my goodness, that would be gorgeous, darling. Now going in with a blush, Juvia's Place blush. I'm going to put the blush combination color down at the bottom. As you guys know, I like to work in 3, so my blush will be a 3 sets as well. Now I'm moving in with a liquid black lipstick. Listen, I haven't worn black lipstick in a really long time. It reminds me of like wet leather, just something juicy and black, honey. I wanted to go with the bold lip, even though the eyes are kind of bold. I wanted to do a bold lip with this. It kind of reminded of me of the Janet Jackson video, Scream a little bit, with that black lipstick. Miss Jackson, if you're nasty. So now I'm going in with a little bit of highlight. I'm using, I believe it's Juvia's Place. It might be Juvia's Place and Crayon Collection. I have to relook at the colors. Down the center of the nose, the high points of the cheek, the chin, and the forehead. Oh, you guys know, when the hair comes down, I'm almost done. So I decided to go in with a gold color as well, and just reline the black on top, just to give it a little bit more fun and dimension. I love gold eyeliner on top of black. So pretty, pretty. Yes. So we use 4 colors. And I actually took it down under the blue too, because remember, we went under the eye and winged upwardly. A little gold goes a long way. Pop on some lashes. Make sure that they are dry. A little bit more black. That lipstick is NYX, by the way. A couple of people have asked me about it due to the picture that I posted on Instagram. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do. At I am Brittany W on all social media. Come on, guys, follow me. I promise I'll follow you back, darlings. We are just putting on a powder that is my skin color to help finish out this look. I think this girl is ready for a music video. What do you guys think? You guys know when I start fixing the hair, it's almost time, right? A little bit more blush. Oh, she's posing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get them, girl. Close eyes so people can see. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.